You guys want another merch video, so here it is. Cue the intro.
What's up? Okay, I'll be honest, we're both a little mad right now.
My energy's a little low because
We just filmed 3 videos and
3 fire videos.
3 full videos and just realized the microphone was turned off the whole time. The microphone was off. So there's no audio. So we have to film these all over again.
Fucking pissed.
Okay. Let's gather ourselves real quick, right? So maybe someone else, they'd be like, oh, someone cheer us up. Someone cheer us up. Yeah, this is tough.
Someone was like, fuck this, I'm done. I'm giving up, but we're not giving up. Let's go!
We needed a few minutes to regroup, but now we're back. Okay.
Because we just wasted like a lot of hours of hard work.
Yeah.
Now we have to do those hours of hard work over again just to freaking get back to where we were.
Yep. All right, we're good. So, like you clearly understood in the intro to this video, we're going to show you how you can get 30 to 50 t-shirt designs made completely for free. No BS. Let's get started.
You know we don't BS.
Yeah.
We've tested this out. It works.
So, it is a website called Pickle. They are a company. I don't really know how old they are, but as you can see on their home screen, they are an ego-free, whatever that means, graphic design service for a simple monthly flat rate. So you get t-shirt designs made for a flat rate monthly.
That flat rate is a little bit high though.
Yeah.
But we will show you how to solve that problem.
So you could go down to the bottom, just so you can see. Try Design Pickle 100% risk-free.
Boom.
We've tried this out.
Money shot.
Given it the Mickelson guarantee, it works. Get started today. Now, the magic in all this is right here. Their 14-day, 100% satisfaction guarantee. It doesn't say free trial, but it's a free trial.
All right, you see the price, $370 a month.
That's expensive.
That is too expensive for us.
Yeah, because we know cheaper ways of getting a ton of designs. You can outsource it to people in like the Philippines.
Either we already made a video or we have a video coming out soon about.
Yeah, you'll get it a lot cheaper. Right. But here you can get it for free by using the free trial. So after 14 days or on the 13th day, I canceled and then they gave me a refund. You will have to pay the $370 up front, but they'll give you the refund. They stand by their word. So what you're going to do is click Get Started. Okay, Rasmus is already signed in, but you would make your account. Just put in your name, email, all that. Now you can walk them through how to
make a request.
Yeah.
All right, this is like super easy, but we're going to show you anyway.
Yes.
All right, so describe the design that you want. Here you go, name and request. Let's just say soccer mom t-shirts. T-shirts. File size dimensions, always 4500 by 5400. That's what Merch Amazon uses. Who's the target audience? Sorry,
that's what Merch Amazon uses?
Yeah. Merch by Amazon. Okay. All right, we love inspiration, sharing links. Yeah. So yeah, here you're gonna want to give them links to.
Let's just show them real quick.
Yeah, let's find.
So you just go to Amazon.com.
What's super important is to only don't find a basic soccer mom t-shirt. You gotta find the best one, because you maybe people don't really know this. Like, the most important thing is getting high quality designs. You cannot throw up some simple bullshit t-shirt and expect it to sell. Right?
So you would just go through here, find the soccer mom designs that you like the best. Look at what's selling well.
That one. It's not a Merch by Amazon t-shirt.
Living that soccer mom life.
Yeah,
that's cute.
Look at that sales rank. So I mean, just open another tab with that.
Look through other ones that we like or ones that sell a lot.
It's not a bad niche, to be honest. Look at these numbers.
There's some solid numbers. But there isn't any extravagant designs. But you find something that you like.
A day without soccer probably won't kill me, but why take the chance? Dude, that shit sells well.
Yeah.
So see, I mean, that's what we mean by like a unique design. It doesn't just say soccer mom with a soccer ball.
Yeah, that's a unique message. Pretty cool. So you would just copy paste their links or whatever you find that you like and paste them in there. And then they have some inspiration for designs that you like. I didn't copy it.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't matter. Yeah. And then describe what you're looking for in design. Again, this is self-explanatory. Just explain what you want in your t-shirt design. Here's what I tell them. I just say, much better than me describing what I'm looking for. Look at the links above and make those designs, but make them better. Yeah, exactly. That's at least as good. I will not accept anything that is at least as good as those designs that I linked. That's honestly what I tell them. Yeah. So these are proven to sell. So if you have a better design than that, you're good to go. Now, what are you not looking for? I always say some shit like, I am not looking for some unoriginal and lazy designs that are boring. Something like that. And that I could have made myself. Exactly. Like, I don't want that. That's not what I want. Sometimes you'll get that. Yeah. I'm not saying from here, but yeah. Whatever. So again, this is pretty self-explanatory. File type, it has to be PNG. Merch by Amazon only accepts PNGs. Need photos. This is just to make like the workload as little for you as possible. So just write, yes, I need photos. Find photos for me. Any special requests? You can leave it blank. Similar photos to what they're using in these designs. Yeah. Upload. Unless you have a particular thing in mind, then go find the photo form, which is good too. Yeah. Upload any assets. You don't need to do that. But then once you're done, you would say I've described or uploaded all final copy and content for this design, and then click Pickle it. I guess that's the term they use. That means send it in. Yeah. What happens if I pickle it? You don't want these designs. No, fuck that. Okay. But you would click Pickle it, and then it's in queue, and then a designer is going to start working on it. And then you maybe 2 days later. Oh, one other thing we forgot to say. In the describe what you're looking for, say like I want 5 Soccer Mom t-shirts, or I want 10 Soccer Mom t-shirts. Yeah. Then you don't have to make as many requests, and it's just much easier. So then they're going to make those 5. And then they would move on to your next request. So put in as many requests as you want, and they're just going to be worked on. And you only have 14 days, so spend those 14 days wisely. Yeah. By giving them all the work they can use. Right. Do not waste a single second. Do not have them waiting. They need something to work on at all times. Yeah. And that's basically it. That's how you get 30 to 50. It depends how fast the designer is, but in those 14 days, you could definitely get a ton of designs made. But the key to all this is getting that money back, that refund at the end. Yeah, exactly. So quickly, all you got to do for that, support, contact, email, tell them the designs were great, but this service is too expensive for me, so I would like my money back. Please give me my money back. And they will give you your money back. Yeah, they will. So that's exactly what I did. They gave me the refund. Yeah. Don't worry about it. And then boom, you have your money back, and then you have 30 to 50 t-shirt designs ready to put on your Merch by Amazon account. And you paid nothing for it. Yeah. So perfect for someone just getting started with Merch by Amazon, who's either tier 10, tier 25, wants to get started but doesn't really want to spend a lot of money, which is a bad mindset to have, but it's sometimes people are that way. Yeah. And that's basically it. That's all. That's everything, right? Yes, it is. All right. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for watching the video. I'm gonna relax. All right. You won. You beat me. I had to get out the frustration of these videos not working. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. Actually, not actually. Let's just get into the outro. Goodbye.